Dear all, I am Dr. Yasir from Department of Economics, Farouk College. Here, I wish to offer a new course in International Economics, Basics of International Economics. So, if you are a BA student, BA Economics student or MA Economics students, obviously this course will be useful for you. Or if you are preparing for any competitive exams, or if you want to just know the concepts of international economics, then also this course is for you. Here, as you know, from the through the liberalization, globalization, and privatization, now in this era, the importance of international economics has increased and its scope has increased. Then there are two branches for international economics. Firstly, international trade. Secondly, international finance. So, the basic concepts of these two branches and also the basic theories we will be covering in this course. So, the first module will be Introduction to International Economics. Here we will be covering the importance of international economics and also the scope and how the international trade and internal trade is different, and there are some other terms or concepts like terms of trade. So these all are the topics which we will be covering in the first module. Then secondly, there are some theories of international trade. All the economic relationship of two countries, all the trade relationship of two countries will be based on certain principles or certain theories. So there are theories like mercantilism, then classicals, and also modern theories like Heckscher-Ahlen theory. So, and after this also there are some new development theories also, but we will be covering the basic theories of international trade. Then thirdly, theories of commercial policy. You might have heard about tariff and non-tariff barriers and what is its implication, and there are some organizations like Economic Union, NAFTA, SAFTA. So these all will be covered in the third module. Then fourthly, as a part of international finance, we will be covering two modules. That is, first one is foreign exchange market, how this market works, and what is this exchange rate basically. You might have heard from so many situations. You may not understand what is the depreciation, what is devaluation. So there are so many concepts. So we will be covering these all concepts also, and what is a different exchange rate regimes. So then finally we will be coming to the balance of payment. What are the different components of balance of payment, and how the balance of payment is very important for a nation. Then what is a balance of payment situation of India? Then what is the role of IMF and World Bank? So these all are the portions we will be covering in the last module. So if you are interested in this course, you can join in our Telegram group, and also you can subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you all.